Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some really cool stuff. What I want to do today guys is show you how to create this color splash effect. As you can see, we have a black and white image here with just the guy's uniform, really sort of bright poppy red. And I want to show you the process of how to do this effect today. So what I'm going to do is just select my top layer here and press backspace to delete it. And let's start off with our original image. Now, what I need to do now is make a selection over the elements that I want to keep colorful within inside of this image, i.e. the arms and the shorts that he is wearing. So using my zoom tool here, I'm just going to zoom in. And what we're going to do is come through and use the quick selection tool. And we're just going to guide it through like so. Very short little click there, as you can see. And then I'm going to come through here like so. Nice, as you can see, it's really sort of picking up that red. We may have to come through and just tidy it up in a sec. Let's get the main bits of the selection made. What I am going to do now is come through, probably use my lasso tool, make sure I'm adding to the selection there. And I just want to come through and add there manually like so. Maybe a little bit in here as well. There we are. Just being picky now, to be fair, but we want the best results. And they always say Rome wasn't built in a day, which I couldn't agree with anymore. Okay, so maybe a little bit there. What I'm doing now is probably use the magnetic lasso tool. Yeah, again, make sure I'm adding to the selection there. I'm just going to come through. Let's do a couple clicks. Just add there, like so. Wonderful. We need to add a little bit here on the red sleeve. Wonderful. Okay, so now I'm just going to remove that section there as well here, like so. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is come through and make a selection of our red shorts. So yet again, jump back to the quick selection tool, and I'm going to come through and make a selection like so, and in there as well. Maybe we need to add one in there. And we're just going to come through, use the magnetic lasso tool, minus, and just make sure it's clean across his hand here, like so. And we just need to remove this section here. Let's get the lasso tool, make sure we're minusing. There we go. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with my selection there. All right, now what I need to do is go to select and inverse, because currently at the moment, everything that's editable is inside of that selection. What I actually want to do is edit on the outside. So I want to go to select inverse. And then I'm going to come through to our adjustment layers and add a black and white adjustment layer. And as you can see, what we can do now for our properties window is really start manipulating that black and white just to get the feel that we want. And I'm pretty happy with that. And there you have it, guys. That's how you create that color splash effect within Adobe Photoshop. If you're interested in finding out more about the courses that we offer, us as tutors or just us as our school, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.